Hello everyone. As I told you yesterday that we are going to start our 12th standard syllabus of mathematics, and I am going to start your part first of mathematics of 12th standard. So in the starting I am going to start chapter number 3, differentiation. The main reason behind that why I am starting this chapter, differentiation, because in your 11th standard the last chapter you had studied is derivative from part first. So these formulas are same in the 12th standard also. So the derivatives, functions and their derivatives. If function is constant, what is its derivative? If function is x, what is derivative? So there are these 8 formulas. Then also you are aware about these rules of differentiation. That rules are, when there is a sum of two functions, then how we find derivative? When there is subtraction, when there is a product u into v, then the derivative is like this. And when there is a division, then we find derivative by using this formula. And yesterday I solved this example also. So you get brief idea about this basic part. Now in this differentiation chapter in our 12th standard, we are going to study the advanced part, the advanced tricks or advanced rules of the differentiation. So we are starting our first topic with derivative of composite function. It is also called a chain rule. So in your 12th standard regular notebook, write down this topic, derivative of composite function in bracket chain rule. The statement of the rule is, if y is a function of u, so y is equal to f of u, is a differentiable function. Yesterday I give the meaning of differentiable function. Differentiable function means what? The function of which we can find the derivative, right? So y is a differentiable function of variable u, and u is a equal to g of x. So u is a differentiable function of x, right? So here you get this, y is a function of u and u is a function of x. So ultimately you can write this is a chain function, that is y is depend upon u and this u is depend upon x. So ultimately we can write y is also depend upon x, or y is some function of x, right? Then in that case, how we find derivative? Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So first we differentiate this y with respect to u, multiply by differentiate this u with respect to x. So this is the rule of differentiation. So now in this video I am going to solve these 4 examples, these 3 examples, and this 4th one is for homework. So let us start. Examples are very simple. So what is y? It is 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x bracket raised to 6. So I assume this part as u. So u is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x, right? Because we have the formula for x raised to n, but we don't have formula for this. So this y becomes u raised to 6, right? So from this we get here y is a function of u and u is a function of x. So if I differentiate this y with respect to u, then dy by du is equal to 6u raised to 6 minus 1, right? By using formula for x raised to n. Here I am using this formula. Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1, or it is equal to 6u raised to 5. Call it as equation 1. Then what is u? U is a combination of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x. Now I differentiate this u with respect to x. Then we get du by dx is equal to, what is derivative of 4x cube? It is 4 in bracket 3x square plus derivative of 3x square is 3 in bracket 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. So answer is 12x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the value of du by dx. We call it as equation number 2. Now in this all questions we have to find derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. So by using chain rule we can write dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So our final answer becomes this dy by du, this value is given here. So 6, what is value of u? It is 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x bracket raised to 5 in bracket du by dx is 12x square plus 6x minus 2. So this is the answer of first example. So what we do here, we assume this bracket part as u, then we find dy by du, and then we find du by dx, this part. So now we solve second example. In the second example, y is given as log in bracket 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So again we assume u as 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So therefore y is a function of u and it can be written as y is equal to log u. So therefore if you differentiate this y with respect to u, then we get dy by du is equal to 1 upon u or 1 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 1. Call it as equation number 1. So this is the value of dy by du. Now in the second part we find the derivative of u, 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So if you differentiate this u with respect to x, then you get du by dx is equal to derivative of 4x square, 4 in bracket 2x plus derivative of 3x is 3 and derivative of 1 is 0. So 8x plus 3. This is the value of du by dx. Call it as equation number 2. So from this 1 and 2, and by using chain rule, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. So you get 1 upon 4x square plus 3x minus 1 in bracket 8x plus 3. Or this answer can be written as 8x plus 3 whole divided by 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So this is the answer of second example. Then third example, y is equal to cube root of 3x square plus 8x minus 7 bracket raised to 5. So before taking the derivative, first I simplify this part. We know that if I write root x, then this can be written as x raised to 1 by 2. So if that term is like this, cube root of x, then that term can be written as x raised to 1 by 3. So this part can be written as this total term 3x square plus 8x minus 7 bracket raised to 5 bracket raised to 1 by 3 by using this part. Then by using rules of indices, we have this formula a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So this can be written as 3x square plus 8x minus 7, 5 into 1 by 3, that is 5 by 3. So this is your y now. So now I assume u as 3x square plus 8x minus 7. And now we find so therefore we get y is equal to u raised to 5 by 3. So by using power function, if I differentiate this y with respect to u, then dy by du is equal to 5 by 3 u raised to 5 by 3 minus 1, or simply 5 by 3, value of u is 3x square plus 8x minus 7, and 5 by 3 minus 1 by cross multiplying it is 2 by 3. So this is answer of dy by du. Then u is 3x square plus 8x minus 7. So we differentiate this u with respect to x. So we get du by dx is equal to, its derivative is 3 into 2x plus 8 minus 0, that is 6x plus 8. This is the value of du by dx. So our required answer is dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is, value of dy by du is here 5 by 3 into this bracket raised to 2 by 3. So 5 by 3 in bracket 3x square plus 8x minus 7 raised to 2 by 3 into value of du by dx is 6s plus 8. So this is your value of dy by dx. So solve this example. Y is equal to e raised to log x plus 6. Try this problem, fourth one. So hint for this problem, consider this power part as u, that is log x plus 6. So u is equal to log x plus 6. Then find du by dx and dy by du. So here you get y as e raised to u. And I also suggest you that also refer the textbook of mathematics part first, which I posted on 10th April on this official group, Sanjeevani 11 Commerce group. So also refer that textbook and understand this all problems and write down this all problems in your regular class notebook. And if you are facing any difficulty, then ask me or contact me. Thank you.